So I went ahead and I shorted after it hammered and made a new 1 minute low. I shorted there using a new 1 minute high and got just a great flush on NVIDIA. And then a little bit later, my pivot scanner that we have in the room here, the pivot bot, called out CCL to up near R4. And normally when I'm Alright, how's it going, everybody out there in YouTube? My name is Thor Young. I'm a moderator at Bear Bull Traders. I am joined by the prophet of profit, Brian Pesum. We had a great day trading in the chat room today. We'd like to go over that with you a little bit and just share to you guys what we did today. All in all, really nice day. Kind of a little bit low volume, lackluster going into a 3-day weekend, but all in all, not too bad. How was your day today, Brian? How are you feeling about things?
No, today was a good day. We had some opportunities and took advantage of them. So yeah, let's get down, start talking about the trades. Do you want me to go first?
Yeah, why not? Why don't you go ahead and
Sure.
start us off here? I know you got some fun stuff.
Okay. Well, yeah, my two trades were basically on Baba. But yeah, just Baba was sort of fighting the market at the open. We were gapping down here. And of course, there was on news, the China news, more lockdowns, I think. And also, I think there was some probably backlash on the U.S. and their decision not to sell chips to China. AMD told AMD and NVIDIA not to sell chips there. So anyway, yeah, all the Chinese stocks down, including Baba. So I looked at that as a rising devil trade. That's my typical setup for an open, and dropped down at, ticked all the boxes, gapping down on news and trading below the VWAP and below the previous day close, and looking weak, and it was really looking weak going into the open, so I just shorted it right at the open because I didn't think it was going to even pop much. So got a few covers, and then it popped up, and then shorted, and then stopped me out. But then later around 9:55, we got a 9:20 trade in, which is another trade I like to do. So it was selling off. It did eventually sell off, but then it started to bounce, came up through the 9, touched the 20. That's when I shorted it again, and got a really nice drop on it at 91.70 all the way back to 91 and change. So yeah, that was sort of my day with Baba.
Yeah, I remember I popped over to Baba when you took this, and as soon as you were calling getting into it, the level 2 just looked, spectacular to the downside, and it really dropped off. So that was really awesome to see, and see that sell
really
down.
got a nice flush.
So
nice flush on
you
it.
had mentioned NVIDIA. NVIDIA was kind of what grabbed my attention. So as y'all can see here on NVIDIA had that news. And I'll pop out the daily. NVIDIA has been having a pretty rough time for a while, but especially gapped yesterday with that news. And at first I was actually kind of maybe thinking we watch it for a bounce, which maybe it does bounce now, but at the open it was really weak and the level 2 was really heavy. So I went ahead and I shorted after it hammered and made a new 1 minute low. I shorted there using a new 1 minute high and got just a great flush on NVIDIA. And then a little bit later, my pivot scanner that we have in the room here, the pivot bot, called out CCL to up near R4. And normally when I'm inside or under R4, I start looking for shorts. The level 2 at the time looked more decisively heavy. Now it's pretty balanced, which is why we're chopping around, but it was more decisively heavy when I got in. So I shorted here using a new high, got a nice drop down, and made some good profit there. But those are my two tickers. Only traded 2 tickers today. Both of them hit really nice, and was happy with that. Had a really nice chill, pace today. And although it's not a big day, we do have the 3-day weekend coming up. Also, kind of a little lack of conviction to the long side in the market. So we're kind of expecting the things to be a little choppy and lackluster. So I think we made the best out of this day that we could, for sure.
Yeah. Just I wanted to look at NVIDIA too while you were talking about that because yesterday it obviously had some earnings, and that was the what you were talking about there. So I wanted to see if I was thinking about it later. I was thinking, man, that would have been a good rising devil.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it actually it kind of popped above the V. I'm just looking at yesterday's chart. So, yeah, it was, yeah, could have been a good rising devil. Really sold off yesterday. So
Oh, for
anyway,
sure. Yeah, yesterday was a gorgeous rising devil opportunity yesterday. Like if you go
yeah,
back here, you can
yeah,
see it was holding under VWAP in the 5 minute. Eventually, thing just tanked. So
yeah, it
Nvidia
just
giving us some
dropped,
good
yeah, hard.
opportunities, but that's why. So a lot of you guys who don't have the opportunity, make sure you're coming in for the pre-market show. We actually have engineering the markets going on that starts really early. Jared gives you some of the best breakdowns you're ever going to find. Then we have the pre-market show. And this is why you want to listen to Carlos and Norm on these. These tickers are tickers that were all identified during the pre-market show and were put on watch. Nothing crazy here, but we're going to find catalyst stocks that have a reason to move. And then if you're in the BBT chat room, which, at this point, if you're watching us on YouTube, come by and check us out in the chat room, because the information you're getting here from Brian, myself, Andrew, Artie, all of the various mods in the room, all of those things are coming in live for you to help you see the market in a completely different way. So I hope everybody enjoys this
Hmm.
recap. I hope everyone had a great trading week. We will have Andrew back in next week on Tuesday to get back to business after his vacation. Hope everyone has a great one. Brian, always a pleasure trading with the profit of profit.
Yeah.
Keep it green, my friend.
All right. Yeah. And everybody out there, you have a great Labor Day weekend. Enjoy what's left of the summer.